Okay, so remember the 2008 I think it was like a 2-ton or a 2.5 ton, something like that, Grande Nordine? Well, looks like it got replaced with a brand new Goodman heat pump. It's one of the 2023 models. Here's the fan motor. Zoom in. Come on, focus. It's not focusing. Oh well. Well, here's the compressor. It's a Goodman scroll, unfortunately. It's not a rotary, which I was hoping for. And it is a heat pump. If you look down there. Hold on. Let's see if I can get a good sound. It's all those shiny new components. Over some hours. Right down there. Here's the Omega Star again. $14 seer. Here's where that old Grande section line was. And here's the new one. It's not been running. There we go. It was zoomed in. There we go. I think that's from 2023 and the 2-ton. Have to check. Anyways, yeah, here are those components again. I'm trying to zoom in here, try to find the reversing valve, because it is a heat pump. Bingo, right there. You see it? So we got a new heat pump. There's the compressor. Goodman scroll. Let me try to get that fan motor again. Oh, it was started with the Omega Star. Okay. So, I try to get this one running. I won't be able to get it anymore because it's March. But I'll try to get running in cool mode when I see it running. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. And I guess rest in peace 2008 Grande. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. And over and out.